Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host MA Joya and you are watching my channel JoyaTech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a poll post at your Twitter account. If you don't know how to make a poll post at your Twitter account, then stay with me and watch this full video till the end and you can get this easily how to make a poll post at your Twitter account. So let's start today's topic. First of all, open your Twitter account. Tap a new tweet. Now tap at three horizontal lines. Now ask a question. Now tap at tweet. Like this, you can easily create a poll post at your Twitter account. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.